Imagine a friend who shows up at your door before you've even picked up the phone to call them, because somehow they already knew you needed them. That's what's happening right now. Allah sent you this so you don't become sad before the sadness even had the chance to fully settle in. He arrived early. You didn't post about how you're feeling. You didn't tell anyone the specific thing sitting heavy on your chest today, and yet here you are, receiving exactly the kind of reminder you needed without having asked for it out loud. Allah says in the Quran, "Your Lord has not forsaken you, nor has He detested you." That verse was revealed to comfort a heart that felt forgotten in silence, and it's reaching you today for the same reason. He noticed before you said a single word. You might wonder why this reached you now, before things got unbearably heavy instead of after. But early comfort isn't accidental, it's protective. Sometimes Allah interrupts sadness before it fully takes hold, the same way a friend calls right when you're spiraling, not after you've already sunk. This reaching you today, exactly when it did, was never random timing. Part of you might feel like you need to deserve comfort, like you should sort yourself out first before accepting something this kind. But comfort from Allah was never a reward for having it together. It was sent to the exact version of you sitting here right now, unsorted, still figuring things out, still a little sad. You don't need to qualify for this. You just need to receive it. You don't need to force yourself to feel completely fine after this. Just let this be the moment the sadness loosens its grip a little. Say it honestly tonight. Ya Allah, you sent this before I fell apart. Thank you for reaching me early. That's enough for today. Allah sent you this so you don't become sad. He arrived before the sadness could win. Comment received early. If this reached you at the right time, and if someone you know needs the same comfort today, send it to them. Allah Hafiz.